In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in Sprout Social with this full 2025 guide. To get started, head over to Sprout Social and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you'll manage your social publishing, inbox activity, reporting, and account settings. So it's the starting point for everything we're doing here. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Inside settings, go to organization settings and then select tags. This is where your organization's tags are managed. Keep in mind that in some accounts you may need admin access or the right permissions to create and edit tags. So if you don't see this option, that's likely the reason. Once you're on the tags page, click create tag or add tag, depending on the version of the interface you see. You'll then be prompted to enter a tag name. Choose a name that clearly describes what the tag will be used for. For example, you might create tags like customer support, product launch, Facebook campaign, Q3 marketing, or user-generated content. A clear naming style makes it much easier to stay organized later, especially if multiple people on your team are using the same account. Depending on your account setup, you may also have some optional fields available. These can include adding a description, assigning the tag to a category, setting reporting preferences, or organizing it for a specific team or campaign. These details aren't always required, but they can be helpful if you want cleaner reporting and better internal organization. Before saving, take a moment to review the tag name and any settings you added. When everything looks good, click Save or Create Tag. After that, your new tag will appear in your organization's tag list and will be ready to use. You can now apply that tag to your content in several places across Sprout Social. Tags can be used when publishing posts, scheduling content, managing messages in the Smart Inbox, tracking campaigns, and generating reports. To apply a tag, create or edit a post, find the tag field, and then select the tag you just made. From there, go ahead and publish or schedule your content as usual. Finally, tags become especially useful when it's time to measure results. Go to Reports, open a report that supports tag filtering, and filter the data using your chosen tag. This lets you analyze